So in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can make money on Fiverr without skills. Now, there are several ways that you can do this, and I've made quite some videos on some of the other ways, but this video is quite different because not just is it easy, but it is passive. That means you could be lying on your couch on a Saturday evening whilst money is being credited to your account. And this is something I recently discovered, and I thought, why not share with my community? So here we go. Now, just to ensure that you are following me closely, I will be attaching all the links I mentioned in the description below. So the first step you want to take is to click the first link in the description, and it will take you to this place, which is the Fiverr website, and you simply want to sign up. Now you want to click on join, and when you click on join, it will take you to this part where you can create an account. Now, if you already have a Fiverr account, you may want to skip this step, but if you do not have a Fiverr account, you can create a new account either with Google, with your email, with Apple or Facebook. It's completely free and it takes less than 5 minutes. Now, once you're signed in, you want to quickly take a brief look at the gigs on Fiverr. You can see all of them listed here. You want to take a look at the niches. Don't worry, I'm going to let you in on why we are doing this in a minute. Now, for the next step, you want to click the link in the description, and it will take you to this particular website, which is the Fiverr Affiliate Marketing Program. So now, before you sign up on this website, make sure you have like a social media presence. It could be a YouTube channel or an Instagram page or some sort of social media account. You don't even need to have any followers or a huge following. You just need to have proof that you have a place where you are going to be promoting these services. For example, if you have like a YouTube channel, Instagram account, I'm just going to be using my YouTube channel. You can simply go here to customize channel. I simply want to copy your social media channel link, or that's your YouTube link. So here's how it works. You can receive instant commission ranging from 25 to 100% of a customer's first order and a 10% revenue share from all future orders placed by that customer in the first 12 months. Now, for this Fiverr affiliate marketing, they have 3 kinds of services that you are able to promote. They have the marketplace gig, the pro services, and the logo maker. Now, for the marketplace, this is literally the normal Fiverr marketplace, and you can see all these things are gigs. So these are the kind of services that you are going to be promoting for the marketplace gig. And you can see that with the marketplace gig, you would get a 25% of a first order, a cost per acquisition of 25% for the initial purchase amount. So if somebody clicks your link and purchases something on the Fiverr marketplace, you get 25% of whatever charge that person paid for that service. Then you also get 10% of future orders within that year that person places for that services. We also have the pro services under the Fiverr affiliate, and these pro services, you are literally promoting the Fiverr Pro. And for the pro services, you get 70% of the first order, meaning if somebody purchases any service of Fiverr's pro freelancers, you get 70% of that order. The reason for this is the pro services are usually way more expensive, and they are usually Fiverr's top vetted freelancers, and you also get 10% of the future orders. Also, Fiverr has a logo maker, and with the logo maker, if anybody purchases logo maker service through your affiliate link, you get 30% on the first order and 10% of the future orders. Now, what you simply need to do is sign up by clicking join now. Now, we will take you to this page where you want to fill in all of your details: your first name, your last name, your email address, your username, your password. You want to confirm your password. Your account type will be private. Now, if you are a company, you can click company, but most of you listening to me will most likely be private. So you can click on private. And do you have a main source of traffic? Because you have a social media platform, you click yes. And this is where you simply want to impute your social media platform. So we're just going to paste our link to our channel here. Your country, you want to impute your country, and of course, English. Then this type, you can just simply leave it blank, and you want to click on next and create your account. But once you've logged in, you will be able to see your affiliate dashboard, and it will look something like this. So this is where you have your balance, your available, your end balance, and the balance that was paid to you. This is where you see all of your commissions. This is where you see the number of clicks. That means as people keep clicking your affiliate link, you will be seeing your number of clicks here. Then this is your click-through rate, the rate at which people click your affiliate links. This is the number of registration. That is people who are registering on the platform newly. And this is for FTBs, which are first-time buyers. That's people who are purchasing a service with your affiliate link for the first time. So remember, I imputed the link to joining the affiliate program in the description. You can go ahead and check that out. So the next thing I want to look at is the marketing tools. Now for the marketing tools, you can see different sizes of flyers, and you can see to copy to URL in case you want to promote or you want to embed in your website, whatever it is. And you can easily filter by whatever kind of service on Fiverr you want to filter by. You can see image editing, marketplace, mobile app, whatever it is. Then for the default and deep links, these are your actual links to promote, like your whole links. For example, if you click on this and you put it out somewhere, anybody who clicks on it will take the person directly to the Fiverr marketplace, and whatever service that person purchases at that point in time, you'll be getting some commission from it. Same with the Fiverr Pro. If the person purchases a Fiverr Pro service, your commissions will be getting to you. Then same for the logo maker and Fiverr sub affiliates. For the geo-rotation group, this is simply also for marketing. Probably you want to attach or embed this in your website or somewhere else. You will be able to display banners according to the user's geo IP. The person's geo IP is in Spanish. It will be displayed in Spanish just for it to convert better. Now for the gigs ad widget, this is where you can easily pick gigs directly from here and choose to promote. You can see Fiverr recommends gigs that you can go ahead to promote. Now for the reports, you can see media reports, registration reports, earnings reports. This is where you get literally all the reports from your affiliate service that you are offering, whether it's clicks, your earnings, whatever it is. You get a full breakdown report. For your payments, this is where you get to see your payments. You also request your payments and also see how much payment has been made to you. Then this is post back, and this is for sub affiliates. If you want to also refer other affiliates, this is where you see all the reports and your links here. And this is your commission plan, how your commission will be distributed to you just for you to be in the know. Then also your affiliate store. If you want to create an affiliate store, probably you have a large audience and you want to create an affiliate store where you can pick some freelancers, you can contact Fiverr here. But this is just an overview of the breakdown. By the way, if you are getting some value from this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that YouTube will notify you of my future videos, and also smash the like button just to help with the algorithm. Now, once you have generated your affiliate links, so I already showed you how you can get your affiliate links by simply going to default and deep links here. The next step you want to do is you want to start promoting these links. Now, the best service to promote on Fiverr is actually the Fiverr Pro services, because the prices are more higher and you are going to make more on each purchase. So we'll be promoting the Fiverr Pro service, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. So just follow me closely. Now, what you want to do is go to the Fiverr Pro platform and search for a gig of your choice. It could be video editing, photo editing, website development, but I would suggest you promote something that you have an idea of, and also a gig that you can make tangible money from. So we're going to be going with video editing, and you simply want to type video editing in the search bar here, and Fiverr is going to bring out all the pro freelancers that it has. Now, these freelancers have been vetted by Fiverr to be really excellent at what they do. So we are going to simply check out the profiles and see which of them we can promote. So just on the top of the list, you can see Neil Nafis, and we're going to be checking his profile here. You can see profile. Now we're in his profile, you can see I would edit YouTube videos with motion graphics, Iman Gatsi. And I think he's really good, so we're going to be going with him. Now, once you've picked your freelancer that you want to promote, you simply copy his profile. You can go here and copy. If you are promoting profiles, go here and copy, and go back to your affiliate account. Go to default and deep links. You click on deep links and you simply paste his profile link and you click on save. Now, Fiverr has generated your own personalized affiliate link to promote his profile. But I would suggest that we promote gigs, as that is more effective and it just seems more convertible quickly. So this is his gig, and want to quickly click on share this gig, and we can simply copy it. When we copy it, we want to do the same thing. Go to deep links and simply paste and save. So now that we've saved it, we want to copy it. Now, this is very important so you do not click on the wrong link, so you don't promote the wrong service. This is a Fiverr Pro freelancer. We'll be taking the Fiverr Pro affiliate link, and we can just go ahead and paste it in our notepad just so that we have it handy. Now, we could as well go ahead and promote with this link, but it may not really convert because of how lengthy this link is. So what we want to do is we want to shorten it. And to do that, we simply copy, and we can head over to Bitly and simply shorten the link. We click on create new link. We post it here, title Fiverr video editing, and you simply want to create your link. In a split second, your link is ready. Now, we can copy this link. This link is more convertible as it is shorter and of course more pleasant to the eyes. So now that we've done, or we are done with all of that, the next step is to find who we are going to promote this service to. Now, because we're promoting a video editing service and his gig says Imagati style of editing, so our prospect will be YouTuber. If you do not know who Imagati is, he's a very top YouTuber. So our prospect will be YouTubers. And since we have established that our prospects are YouTubers, the very best place to find our prospect is on YouTube. And we're not just going to be looking for any YouTuber. We want to look for educational channels because Imagati is an educational YouTuber. We want to look for educational channels between 5,000 subscribers to 70,000 subscribers. That way, those kind of people, you can tell that they may have more money to spend for a video editor, and of course, not big enough to already have an agency working for them. So those are our prospects. Now, if you do not know what an educational channel is, basically an educational channel is any kind of channel that teaches something. It could be teaching crypto, it could be teaching forex, it could be teaching how to make beads. Anything that teaches people something is an educational channel. So you can simply go to YouTube and search for them. You want to keep checking. And once you check, you can easily go to their profile, and there you will be able to collect their email addresses in the About section. Another way is to click on the next link in my description, and it will take you over to this website, which is called Channel Crawler. And with this website, you are able to search for YouTubers, and you are easily able to filter by subscribers, minimum 5,000, maximum, let's say 100, because we do not have 70 here. Then category, education, and that way you can easily just click see results. And you can see that it has brought out all the channels that fall in that category. It will help you narrow your search, and you'll be able to pick off their emails easily. Now, you should note that not all the YouTubers may have their emails in the About section because some YouTubers do not put it there. So what you want to do is you want to go and look for some kind of social media. You can say Instagram or Facebook, and you can easily go there and DM them directly. So now that all the above is set and done, we want to start crafting our cold pitch that we will be sending to these prospects. Now, this is a one-time thing because you just send it to them once, and if they should click your affiliate link and purchase and keep purchasing, you will keep getting your commissions. So you do not need to even do any reminder for them. Now, of course, for the cold pitch, simply head over to ChatGPT and give it a pitch. I would like to start Fiverr affiliate marketing and start promoting video editing services to YouTubers. Give me a personalized cold pitch email to prospects based on the below description, like I am offering the service. And what you want to simply do is copy this about section of this freelancer and put it in your ChatGPT prompts. You can see here, this is the description here. And of course, ChatGPT is going to give you the perfect response. So ensure that you read through it and it sounds like something that you would actually say, so it doesn't give off AI written. And once you've checked it and all is good, you want to go to the next thing. And what you want to do is you want to start sending these emails. I like to try to make the emails personalized by simply including their name inside it. Like, hi Kate, hi Gabriel. You personalize the email and this prospect will actually feel that the email is particularly meant for them. Now, I'm not saying just do this for 5% and you'll be on your way to earning thousands of dollars. No, you need to do it for as much people as you can, because the more people that you reach, the more chances you have of someone clicking your affiliate link and purchasing right away. Also, there are other really expensive gigs, and it must not be video editing. Like you can see, the one we promoted is for $20 for the basic, but you can also promote more expensive gigs like the likes of website development, app development, and the likes. Then your commission is bound to be higher. But make sure for the website development, you are not promoting to YouTubers because those are not your prospective audience. So the higher the commission, the more money you make in shorter time. And the beautiful thing about this is you don't even need to have any skill or do anything serious. You can see that literally everything is either done by an app or done by a website. You are simply the middleman that connects the buyer to the seller. And you will just do that once, but you will keep getting paid as long as the buyer keeps purchasing throughout the year, which makes this money-making method passive. And this is absolutely great and a great way to make money on Fiverr without having to have skills or be an expert at any skill at all. Now, you can go back and rewatch this video if you need to, because you need to follow it step by step just to ensure you are doing it correctly. Now, just like I said earlier, I've made a video of several other ways you can make money on Fiverr without any skills. So I'm just going to be leaving one of those videos at the end of this video, and you can go ahead and check it out because this year we are making money. So stay tuned. Ciao.